Resurge Review. If you're overweight or obese, losing weight can reduce your risk of serious health problems. There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. But many diet plans leave you feeling hungry or unsatisfied. That's why you might find it hard to stick to a diet. Even a modest weight loss of 5 to 10% of your total body weight is likely to produce health benefits, such as improvements in blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and blood sugars. All weight loss programs require a high level of commitment and regular follow-up, which makes it hard for people to follow it. That's why a trustworthy diet pill like Resurge is highly recommended for people who can't follow these standard weight loss plans. It is easy to use and has no side effects at all. If you are in a hurry, I have included the discount link in description so you can buy safely from official website. What is Resurge? Resurge is a newly released dietary formula which triggers weight loss through sleep. Resurge is a blend of natural ingredients that are helpful in weight loss, metabolic boost, immunity increase, and stress relieving. It fights against all common problems which one way or the other is linked to weight gain. There is obviously no medicine to treat weight gain. For most people, obesity is not a disease but a sign that the body gives to warn you about your unhealthy lifestyle and diet. The solution to complete lifestyle change is impossible. However, using an all-in-one supplement like Resurge would prevent weight gain before it causes disease. You don't have to worry about what to do and what to avoid if you are using Resurge pills. Who created Resurge? John Barban is a well-known fitness coach and respected health trainer with an extensive track record in the dietary supplement industry. John holds a University of Guelph degree in human biology and nutrition. After years of research, he was finally able to create a natural formula that helps you lose weight through deep sleep. This weight loss supplement is FDA approved and GMP certified, and is manufactured in the USA, which provides more safety and reliability for your usage. Resurge ingredients. Melatonin is a hormone found naturally in body which is proven to help in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. Ashwagandha, it is an ancient medicinal herb that helps to manage the body stress and boost the brain function. It also fights anxiety, depression, blood sugar and improves concentration. Hydroxytryptophan, it is a natural amino acid that is produced in the body to produce serotonin. Thus, it offers better sleep by fighting anxiety, depression, weight gain and other sleep disorders. L-theanine, it is an amino acid found in tea leaves and mushrooms. It improves relaxation, focus and concentration. Magnesium and zinc, these are one of the essential minerals that your body needs to stay healthy. When taken together they are easily absorbed by the body. It reduces fatigue and improves the sleep quality. Arginine and lysine, these amino acids are provided through the food sources. They reduce the chronic anxiety and blocks hormonal stress in humans. How does Resurge work? Resurge is an effective formula that only puts its promises into action when the user is sleeping. It works on the root cause rather than the effect. It helps the user overcome all the possibilities that have resulted in obesity. This way, the person is able to lose weight effectively. It regulates blood circulation and makes sure that every cell is getting oxygen and all necessary nutrients. The main target of Resurge is to reduce the layer of stress hormones and spark the body with happiness, as stress has a deep connection with obesity. Resurge comes in a bottle of 120 capsules that are easy to carry and use. It does not only help lose weight but improves the overall health of the body. Are there any side effects? Resurge is an all-natural health supplement and there have been no reported side effects. Resurge is designed for adults who are struggling with weight loss. However, it is not a treatment pill and it doesn't treat any medical condition. The underage people are not advised to use it. Also, pregnant, breastfeeding mothers and older people with underlying health conditions should not use this or any other weight loss supplement without consulting their doctor. How to use Resurge? Take 4 pills with a glass of water 30 minutes to 1 hour before bedtime. Use the supplement continuously for 90 days to get long-lasting results. You should not take the pill if you can't sleep for the next 7 to 8 hours. Do not use it while night driving or using heavy machinery. Do not combine or use it along with other diet pills to maximize effects. Do not use it with alcohol. Do not overdose on it for faster effects. Pros: boosts the immunity and ability to fight pathogens. Sheds off unnecessary pounds. Replaces fat muscle with lean muscle mass. Makes the user sleep earlier and peacefully. Controls blood sugar levels. Uplifts metabolism. Cuts off the risk of atherosclerosis. Boosts the working of your heart. Revitalizes energy levels. Suppresses appetite. Improves mental clarity. Helps in getting a slim waistline. Cons: children under 15 shouldn't use it. Breastfeeding and pregnant ladies should avoid it. For now, it is only available online. To avail the best discount from the official website of its manufacturer, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.